Hello, welcome to Intellify. Perpendicular from the center to a chord. Chapter Circle, Subject Mathematics, Class 9, Board CBSE. Perpendicular from the center to a chord. Consider the diagram. Here is a circle centered with O and we have drawn a chord AB. Draw a line which passing through the center of circle and intersect the chord AB at M. So, angle OMA equal to angle OMB equal to 90 degree or OM is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, B is coincide with A, so MA equal to MB. The line segment which passing through the center of circle is the largest chord. AB is less than the largest chord of circle. Theorem. The perpendicular from the center of circle to a chord bisect the chord. Given that perpendicular from center of circle to a chord is drawn and to prove that it bisects the chord. Thus in the converse, what the hypothesis is, if a line from the center bisects a chord of a circle, and what is to be the proved is the line is perpendicular to the chord. Theorem, which is a converse part of theorem first. Statement. The line drawn through the center of the circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. Proof is given. Let AB be the chord of a circle with center O and O is joined to the midpoint M of AB. We have to prove that OM is perpendicular to AB. Okay. For that we have joined OA and OB. In triangle OAM and OBM, OA equal to OB, which is the radius of circle. The length of radius of a circle is equal. AM equal to BM, which is a bisector parts. Next, OM equal to OM. Therefore, triangle OAM equal to triangle OBM. This gives that angle angle OME equal to angle OMB, which is equal to 90 degree.